guys, welcome back. Hey, we are in Sri Lanka. We're up at the top of tea country here, and we're going to take a train ride from Nanu-Oya to Ella. So it's about a 2.5 hour ride. It is freezing cold, and we are not prepared for this, but we're going to do it anyway, and it should be really fun. So hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in Ella. Guys, hey, we're headed to Ella via Nanu-Oya, and it's kind of got bad weather, but all is good. Check this out. No regulations, no nothing. I can pretty much do whatever I want. Wow.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them in Coronas. Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.
Alright, we just got off the train here in Ella, and we're headed to our accommodation for the night. So that was awesome.
Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them